are crying. Poor people are crying. Poor people are crying. People are suffer. Yes, people call it man shop pass TV people. We don't know. Yeah, man, shop pass TV people. Rice people. We don't know. Call it man shop pass TV people. We don't know. Shopping anything and everything. People are shop pass. Let me know what I'm going with them people. Calling people talk about things. Them people shop pass TV. I in a place shop pass TV. I go in right shop pass TV. Yeah, man, the poor people talk up, man. Poor people want to discuss on the thing, them, man. Come on, poor people. Big up yourself and talk up. Don't be afraid. Talk up and shop pass TV. Up top, like heaven.
Alright, people, here. Shop Boss TV again. You got your people. Now, I'll show you that thing. All the rubbish people that move the rest of everything. Now, I'll show you. I'm not show you which way rubbish will come and turn back on price lane. Alright? It's all about once you can give them girl $1 on the rubbish truck, you come and you get come take up the rubbish. But you know take it up good and clean up the place good, bro. Away the people in the community if you go stand and I cut it up in the morning and I sweep up the place. Because people, the government stop a lot of people. You see people when they sweep road, the government stop them. You see me? So you see right where you see the blue car people. You have me blue car, brown car people. Yeah, so you see a brown car people and you see a blue keg there. And there's a rubbish truck come. Type of price in this. Right? And then turn back. Look, you see a drum there? Right there, sir? Right. Sometimes they move. For as long as they don't get no money, them not empty the rubbish to that drum there. You see me? But them people up the side with the blue keg there. But you see a brown car the people. They might give them money. You see me? So then clean the rubbish and sweep it up on me. The people can get it nice. Watch this. As you say, this man they around to give them money, they now empty them thing people. Yes me? Alright, we're gonna take a stroll down people, down the line. Take a stroll people. You see me? Down the line people. Look. You have some people in the community people when you say I talk about these things. It's like them vex. Right? Them vex, they know like we see I do something good. You understand? They want to live in and you have some people very nasty, them nasty. So when you talk about this, they clean up in their community, you see me? They're against you. So you know, say you don't want them people, you go drink water people because them nasty. Look at this rubbish here, sir, people. Rubbish there from before Christmas. And you see me? This is a gate where people put it in rubbish to come and take it up. People are pay tax people. Yeah man, this is on price then. Look, rubbish truck passed now people. See, rubbish truck passed just a while ago. People. You see me? Rubbish truck just passed people a while ago. And look, you see it? If you not have money to give them girl and boy who up on rubbish truck or the driver for the truck people. You see it? Then left your rubbish pan price them people and leave it. Rubbish truck just gone about 5 or 6 minutes ago people. You hear? Mackenzie need to know something about them things. Yes, I say, in people who are real for him. Look, I say, rubbish truck, I say, rubbish truck come right over top there, sir. I just call people that give them $1. Eh? Yeah, then take them rubbish and empty the rubbish and see what the place and make the place look good. Look at people, just up the and watch here, sir. Look here, sir. A rubbish, this now look one. See it? And before Christmas. Alright. If we the people don't sweep up the street, the street don't sweep. You know, people who waste people, them hug them bike. You know government charge them money with them bike and make a bag of nice. Come and disturb the peace. Right? My little friends have a little shop, that's of people. If you come out of morning time, we have to use my morning time and come out and clean the place. Because I say people stop. The government stop a lot. These people used to sweep the street. Government stop them. You see me? So we the people come out of morning time and sweep the gate and all these things. And we don't have nowhere to throw the rubbish. Yeah? We have to either burn it or what. Alright, look here people. That's a stroke. John no star. Hold on there. John no star. Yes, people, again, because you have some waste people with them bike come make a bug on nice people. You see what I say? Look, rubbish truck pass here, people. And rubbish truck on the go, come and stop right at the Crowell Road, so people, you see that man show. Right? See it? Look, people, see it? Look, rubbish truck just pass people. See rubbish? Look at the rubbish, them people. You see me? Right? Rubbish truck don't come and nowhere down on them place of people. Right? As long as you have a business place or you have a yard, I can give them $1 or so. Them come and pick up your rubbish. You understand what I say? Not on the street. They don't take up rubbish off of the street where people sweep and heap up and things because they claim that people have to pay them first, people. That's what I say. Right? This is the engine, right? Just start texting people. You know, so we not really texting and things. You see what I say? We don't want nobody brand me and say we are and video them and things. And you know, we don't want nobody brand, but you know, a good way for the community because we want to see the community clean up, we want to see the rubbish. And when we come out of morning time and sweep up the gate and things, we want to see rubbish come and when rubbish truck pass through, them clean up the rubbish will heap up and things. You see me? Yeah, man. Yes, people. Yeah, man. Come on, people. Go to the store. This is Price Lane, people. Yeah, man. This is Price Lane. Look, rubbish, people. See it? Rubbish. Rubbish truck just passed a while ago. Rubbish should not come down inside of people. No rubbish should not come in place of people. Here, we keep the place clean. Watch out. Rubbish should not come a Price Lane, people. See it? Ungo where rubbish should come. Rubbish should come down the Price Lane, people. And you take up the rubbish, you have to pay the people, the boy and the girl who are up on the truck, people. Look. You must look in the people. See me? And rubbish should come every day neither. Look. Some people have to dump the rubbish. See it? This is a mini river town. You see it? This is done by Price Lane people. You don't want to prove? You see there? I don't see enough people have got some. Me burn my rubbish now. But I don't see enough people have carried the rubbish come and show it people. Right down here, sir. You see that? This is done by Price Lane people. Right? Because rubbish truck only come once, like this month, yeah, like every other month. Like somebody this month, they come a month. Like so for instance, somebody not come last month, they'll come this month because probably the reason they come right now because of holidays, they look for bonus and all these things. But yeah, so we have to focus on show rubbish people because rubbish a pass through. Them now come now, so come and take up people rubbish down from prices. So we use yasso. We have to use yasso. We have to use yasso for rubbish down people. We have to pay the people for rubbish truck people, as I say. If we take up the rubbish, and that's right, we have to pay tax. Here, Mackenzie need to see them thing here. Here. Then girl from our spoilers people, they might go and say about them running rubbish truck people. They don't want to take up the rubbish. We have to pay them. You see it? So more time we don't want to blame people from throwing the rubbish and the gully people. You see me? We don't want to blame people from throwing the rubbish and the gully because we have nowhere to put it. So we have to go and throw it in the gully. You see me I say? Alright people, this is another segment we are showing why we have to throw the rubbish in the gully because rubbish shut down take up the rubbish. Just as I'm showing a part 1, then come, you have to pay them to take up rubbish people. So people have to go sub. You want to go night, bro. You want to go night, man. You want to go night, man. So I put in night. You see me I say? right? There are some people them sick in their brain because education, we don't know why some people about video people don't want to catch a video. We don't know what. Like a crime. See there? Look people. See the goal here. Right? Because of rubbish shut down, pick up rubbish them often enough. See there? See the people. This is the gully. Right? People have to throw the rubbish in at the gully. Right? See it there? So Mackenzie never see this. The people, you know, see it are people who work for them. So they're not doing their job properly. They're not doing them job properly, people. We want to see the communities clean up, smell good and all these things. Anyway, we have rubbish truck come every week. Less rubbish going in the gully. Yeah, man. Less rubbish go in the gully. At least people now know somebody the rubbish truck come every week. So people then put out the rubbish here, rubbish truck come take it up at them gate. But them people that you put out the rubbish at your gate, and them people that work on the rubbish truck, if you don't pay them nah take up your rubbish on your gate, people. You hear that? I saw me see them at work. See it? Look. Look, people. See it? Bags and bags of rubbish. Because people bag up the rubbish and put it on them gate. And rubbish truck don't come. If you come collect it, people. You see me? And when they do come, if I'm say $1 right now to give them, they're not picking up your rubbish. So people have to end up throw the rubbish in the gully. See that? Right? See that? I'm going to close up on top because I'm not going to go to people. See that? Right? A side of gully over the left side, a James Street side that. A James Street side that. Next side, a text lane side that. See, I'm not going to go to people. Because as you see it, and a good place to walk. Back in the days, people, back in the 90s, people, gully. We as a youth are cooking in the gully, playing marble in the gully. We are sleeping in the gully too. You see me? We are gully clean. People, see there? There's another thing, people, watch out. I'm showing you something. I'm showing you another thing, people, yeah? Because some people live, they don't want to live certain way in the community, not stand anything there. This is the sewage water I see running here. Look, people, sewage water. Sewage water. All the chicken water from, and the bloody water empty from upper Mariska Road empty. People, see there? This is where the water, all sewage water running from ear to ear, months and months, and ear to ear, people. See there? Right? This is the thing I need to fix because Kingston Mall being polluted. You understand what I say? Kingston Mall is not a nice place to go and chuck off and bathe, people. Right now, Kingston, right behind the ice factory, this water going and straight into the harbour. I want to know that, yeah? You see me? All the sewage water from uptown. See there? See it? You see it? Look. This is a pit, people. This is a pit. Alright? And this entrance, people, water will come from North Street, Kingston Garden, uptown. See? People? Look. Yes, sir. It come out, people. Right as the water come out. And this water goes straight down to the Kingston Mall, the sewage water, people. Listen me now. Look and see rubbish. See it? There's some people who carry rubbish because the rubbish shut now. Take up the rubbish. Because you know, the money to pay them. And some of pay the girl them for the truck and the boy them. See it? See that? Yes, sir. And rubbish shut don't come often, people. Once a month. You hear me I tell you? So the people don't have to go to the bomb and thing and throw the rubbish in the gully. So you can't too blame the people them. You hear? Because we don't have a rubbish bin and all these things neither. You see me, people? We don't have a rubbish bin. You see me? We don't have rubbish bin, people. See that we don't have a rubbish bin to throw rubbish, you know. I'm talking for everybody. You see me, I say, people? Yeah? Yeah, people live close to the gully, right? Can't even open them window because of this water. Back in the 90s, I say, people, gully and smell stinks so because them sewage water now running in the gully. So have a big pipe, people. From the entrance, I'm just showing you. See it? And have yard people, see that? This is a gate. This is a yard, people. And also James back of James Street, see that and back fence, people. So you have people live close to the gully. See it? Right? See it? Look. People, look. See it? People live close to the gully, people. Close to the gully. Right? Look, people, see it? Back on my son, back in the 90s, people. The 80s and things, you have a big pipeline. Big pipeline, people, where the sewage water is to run into. But I think after Gilbert, after Gilbert, people, it destroyed. I don't replace. So I say, they don't put it, they don't run back up another pipe here, you know. You lead this water to, as an elder tell me, say you go to Kingston Pen or something like that. Some Kingston Pen, something like that, people. See that? Yeah, man. So tell me, you know, you're living in a community people, you know, and you know, you're supposed to do these things, make them do better. Even no somebody going to fight the people in a rubbish truck. You see me? Who want vex come out do this? Say, who want vex come out do this? Them nasty. Anybody who blame me for do this, them nasty. Them just want to look on kids. Look on kids. Brother, listen to talk about something I do good. Listen to talk about something good. You want it, bro? You're a bad man. You don't want something better for you. You don't want something good. You don't want something good. So what I know, all good looks, sir. What? What you tell me something wrong, me, I do? Yo, brother, you stop talking way my youth. Stop going, stop. You see? Look, where's this, sir? What is this, sir? No, may I ask, sir, what is this, sir? Alright, you good for them?
No. What that catch me tonight?
Bad man. Here's yourself, man. You're a bad man? You're a wicked man, bro? You want it, yo? Yo, hear me ask, man. I want something better for my community. Alex, yo, when you want to come out, I shake back to my hand. Hold. See, people, the whole of the water bad people, the whole of the water, I go see the Kingston Mall people. You see me? Some people know why them feel the camera, they go dance and thing, and some boy with funny guys. Yo, me didn't want to go listen like that. Watch these people, look. You see me? They then go dance, they want to open up for the camera. But something you do for your community to blow, for them go and stand up with you. You see me, they talk away like, yo, come on, yo, and I go on. You know what I say? Stupid. Stupid, them are so stupid. That's why them community now get developed because of what? They sit down and live in the nastiness every day. Every day, people, look at it. This is got Kingston Mall, people, trust me. Right behind the ice factory, the stinking stingy water here. Go straight behind ice factory and straight in the Kingston Mall, people. Look at kids playing around. And the water smell bad. Water stink. You see me I say? People can't do better, people. Some have to show whatever rubbish they have in the gully, people. You see me? Because if you throw it on the road, sorry. If you throw it on the road, people, trust me. Yo, it will be what? No. Disgrace, people. The worst in the gully. Just imagine when time rain fall, people. Just imagine when rain fall. Just imagine when rain fall and the Kingston Mall and all this rush going on in the Kingston Mall, people. Just imagine when all this going on in the Kingston Mall. Oh, just imagine about it, people. Oh, look. You see me I say? Until I got Kingston Mall more time, people hang out people, they look in the water dark and black. You understand what I say? Yeah, man. Rubbish truck need to come every week. That's so people can prevent from throwing rubbish in the gully. And that myself, who don't like it, bite it.